start with a big, rounded body. Add a long horse head from the side. Add 2 pointy ears. Draw the flowing mane. Add an eye, a nostril, and a smile. Add 4 legs that join the body. Finish with little hooves and a swishy tail. Now color it all in. Now the next color. Yay! All done!